Papa John, I cannot sleep. My head is boiling. Look at the age of our son over there in white man's land. All his classmates here in the village are carrying 2, 3 children on their shoulders. But Acha, nothing. Not even a photo of a woman.
A fruit does not fall from the tree simply because you stand under it shouting for it to drop.
Aha. You are laughing? The cold over there in Germany is catching him alone, and you are sitting there making proverbs. What if those white women carry his head away? I want to carry my grandchildren before my knees give up on me.
Miria, my queen, calm down. Why are you running as if the village gong man is chasing you? Listen to me, woman of my heart. European code may freeze the water outside, but it cannot freeze a man's destiny. Acha is a son of this soil. He carries our blood and our patience.
I just worry, John. What if he is lonely?
Look at how I waited until the perfect time before I brought the finest palm wine to your father's compound. Did I rush? No. And look at the prize I got.
You, this man, always finding a way to praise yourself.
A good marriage is like a heavy pot of soup. If you rush the fire, it burns before it cooks. Our son is cooking his life well. When he brings his wife home, it will be a celebration that fills the whole compound. Trust him, Miria. Trust the foundation we gave him.
They say home is not just a place on a map. It is the heartbeat of where you belong. In the bustling heart of Berlin, Acha built a life of precision, quiet success, and modern independence. He thought he had his future completely mapped out. Except he forgot one small detail. Back home in Kugwe had a completely different map. When tradition meets ambition and motherly love becomes a force of nature, one family finds themselves at a crossroads and hilarious negotiations.